This is the mounting rack for the solar panels. So you can see the 2x4s, the long ones are not too straight, but it'll work. Solar panel recreation today. We're using some old 2x4s because I'm kind of cheap and don't want to buy some new ones. So you can see that they're a little bit crooked. That's an understatement. We're going to put on here, what, 4 or 5 or 6 solar panels. And we'll run some more connections. And I'll update that next. So we're just building a triangle frame here. And it'll have 2 supports that go across. One on toward the bottom and one toward the top. So these are the batteries. I only have 6 set up so far. I have more of them. And these, the red and white wire, the red and black wire going outside. I just have it going through the window right now. Don't mind all the garbage. And coming back here to the solar system on the outside of the house. I'll take a picture when I get out there. Here are some more additional batteries that I can put into play if I want to. But I think I'm putting a bunch of these in the camper for the trip. 2 additional solar panels. They're all 100 amp hour solar panels, or 100. These are the solar panels from the outside. They're attached to the crooked board with all the wiring and everything that runs under it. I don't know how well you can see from this angle, but these are all the connections. And then this is your charge controller. So it says it's charging 13.9 volts. It's a 12 volt system that's set up here. Only 4 solar panels set up for this. The left 2 wire connections are for the solar panels here. The right 2 in the middle here are for the batteries. And then if you wanted to direct feed to something that's 12 volts, you can do that here on this one. So here we have now we have 8 batteries. We have a TrueSign 2000 watt DC to AC power inverter. Turn it on. And as you can see, showing 13.1 volts, 60 hertz, 116 volts output. And it's got a little smiley face for the batteries. Nothing's plugged in, so there is no load on it. That's why you see 0 watts. But it's all set up and ready to use now.